got black, love, and confidence too. Kinda quintessential and you loving you. Baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, so I'm gonna jump right into this video. So as you see, I started washing my hair using the Bye Bye Build Up Cleansing Conditioner, which is great for all texture of hair, including natural hair and also chemically treated or heat styled hair. If you keep up with me, you've seen the video where I actually recently did a easy back to school natural hairstyle, which I'll actually leave the link above so you guys can actually check it out as well. But basically it's the same process. I'm going to be doing a wash and go, and I'm just going to be creating a hairstyle which is also great for a back to school. So as you see, I'm just massaging and making sure that I cleanse my hair really well. And then after I do that, I'm just going to be detangling my hair with my detangling comb. Then after that, I just wash my hair out, and this is how it looks. It's still well moisturized. So now I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair using the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask, which is also great for penetrating your hair shaft to nourish your hair and your scalp as well, and it provides an easy slip for also detangling as well. So I'm just applying a good amount of my hair from roots to ends, and then after I do that, I just put my hair into a ponytail to prepare my hair to be under my plastic cap. When I left it under there for about 15 minutes, and then I did rinse it out with cold water. Alright, so now I had rinsed it out, and this is how it's looking. So we're going to go ahead and move on using the Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner. And like I said, if you follow me, you know that I adore the smell. It's so amazing. And I love that it creates a nice shine on my hair. So I do apply it from also root to end as well, and I just rub it in. And then after that, I just start to part my hair for styling. So I am doing a side part, and then I'm just going to start flat twisting my hair. As I'm parting my hair, I didn't part my hair all the way down to my nape, only because I am leaving room for me to actually create the ponytails that I'm going for. So I will be creating 2 ponytails in the back. So you will actually see as we go along this video how I am going to be creating this look. So I am going to be using the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator to help define my curls and also hold my flat twist down and just, give it a great moisture as well. So I just apply it all on this strand, and then after that I just flip my hair in the front and I just apply some on my edges so that way I can slick it down, and as I flat twist my hair, it can all blend together. So as I'm twisting down, I actually don't twist it all the way down because like I said, I will be creating ponytails, so I did leave it loose. Now it is optional if you want to actually add a clip so that way it won't unravel, because these are twists. They will unravel some and they'll also poof up a little bit more. So just add like a duck clip to actually hold the twist down, and then just keep proceeding on. So as you see, I'm just twisting and twisting and twisting, and then I'm moving on to the next side. I'm just keep repeating the same steps until I'm actually done with my flat twist. Now that I'm done with my flat twist, I'm just splitting my hair in the middle, and then I am adding my ponytail hook clip to actually wrap it around to create 2 ponytails. So you can create 2 ponytails. 1 ponytail is actually optional. This is a back to school look, so however you want. So then I just apply some more Curly Magic on my ends of my hair to actually help define my curls. So I'm just plopping them on there, and then I just do the raking method, and then if I see any frizzy parts, of course, I'm gonna apply some on there, and then I'm just gonna be doing the same thing on the other side. Okay, so for this step, I'm just wrapping some gold strings around as if it was a ponytail holder, and just try to give it a little look here. So I'm just wrapping it and wrapping it, and then I'm just applying some gold hair accessories to help finish up the look. And then after I apply my accessories on my hair, I do apply it also on the ponytail as well. So after I did all of that, I just let my hair air dry, and this is the finished look. I love the turnout. I love how well moisturized my hair is. So if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also use code harrisjanae to receive a discount. So just check out my description box. Love y'all. Bye.